An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Well, rightly said by Benjamin Franklin. When you are enlightened by something new, nobody can take that knowledge away from you. Hello and welcome back. When you talk about any programming language of any sort, you are 100% going to need one thing, that is loops and conditions. When you want to make any decision about data, or you want your data to be filtered by applying some plan of action, then the condition and loops are going to help you with that in an easy manner. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about a part of the loops and condition concept, which is if-else switch case. If-else. If-else condition is the most used concept in JavaScript. Without if-else, it would be very difficult for a programmer to get the desired result. If-else is a block of code and a condition. If the condition is true, a specific block of code will be executed, and if it is false, another block of code will be executed. If statement. But let us see how we can apply a condition and execute a block of code using the if condition. We use an if statement with comparison operators. Example, A greater than B, A equal to B, A not equal to B. Syntax, if condition, code to be executed if the condition is true. Example, variable A equal to 10. If A equal to 10, console.log, first condition is true. If A equal to 20, console.log, second condition is false. Output, the first condition is true. As you can see in the example, if the conditional expression A equal to 10 is true, then the code inside it will be executed. And in the second statement, A is not equal to 20. So the block of code will not be executed. Else statement. Else condition is also a block of code which will be executed if the condition is false. Syntax, if condition, code. Else, code. The else statement should always follow if you cannot have multiple if statements at a time. Let us take an example. Let age equal to 15. If age greater than 18, console.log eligible for voting. Else console.log not eligible for voting. In this code, we can clearly see that A is equal to 15. So the person is not eligible for voting. So the condition is false and control goes to the else condition. And the block of code in the else condition gets displayed on the console. But what if we want to add another condition in the code? Yes, we can do that too. Else if statement. We can use the else if statement when we want to use another condition. Syntax. If condition, code for first, if. Else if, code for second, if. Else block of code. Look at a simple example for better understanding. Variable salary equal to 1000. If salary greater than 1000, console.log salary is greater than 1000. Else if salary less than 1000, console.log salary is less than 1000. Else console.log salary is equal to 1000. So this is how we use the else if statement in our code. In this example, if the first condition, that is salary greater than 1000 is true, it will be executed. But in this case, it is false. Same with the second condition. If the salary is less than 1000, it will be executed, but it is false. At last, the control goes to else condition and the salary is equal to 1000 will be displayed on the console. Now, do you guys remember a few lectures back we learned about ternary operators? Don't you think the ternary operator belongs to the if-else family? Well, yes, we can use the ternary operator as a shortcut for the if-else statement. You can say that it is shorthand of an if-else statement. The syntax for the ternary operator: condition, question mark, expression 1, colon, expression 2. If the condition is true, the first expression will get displayed. If the condition is false, the second condition will get displayed. And here is an example for a ternary operator. 10 greater than 5, question mark, true, colon, false. Output, true. So this code works exactly as an if-else statement would work. Since the condition is true, the first expression will be executed. So this is how we can work with if-else statements. Now let us see another concept in conditional expressions, which is switch statement. The switch statement in JavaScript, it tests the value of a variable and compares it with multiple cases. Once the case match is found, a block of statements associated with that particular case is executed. If a case match is not found, then the default statement is executed and the control goes out of the switch block. Let us see the syntax and understand the flow and certain keywords. Switch expression, case 1, colon, code block, break. Case 2, code block, break. Case 3, code block, break. Default, code block. As I said, the earlier value of the expression is matched with every case, and then the matched case is displayed. The break case is optional. The switch statement ends because of the break keyword. If we do not use it, the cases after the matching case will also be executed. The default is also optional, but it is a better practice if we use it. Switch statement example. Let A equal to 2. Switch A. Case 1, A equal to 1, break. Case 2, A equal to 2, break, default. A equal to not found, break. Console.log A, output 2. First, the expression is compared with the first case. There is no match. The control goes to the second case. It is matched with 2, so the switch statement jumps out of the code. The default block and first case do not get displayed. Well, this is it for today, guys. I hope you understood it clearly. Cannot wait to meet you in the next lecture. And here is an assignment for you. Write a program to check if a given number is even or odd using an if-else statement. Solve the above assignment and keep practicing. Bye.